What you're seeing today is the output of the Holistyx Group's Spark engagement, a structured evaluation of where AI creates the most measurable value. We looked at 20 use cases, shortlisted 7, and validated a $22.6 million midpoint opportunity over 3 years. The goal is to walk you through our findings and close with a clear decision on how to move forward. Strategic alignment, infrastructure, and executive sponsorship all score 4 out of 5. Data readiness, organizational readiness, and governance score 3, not a blocker, but a sequencing signal. This chart sorts 20 use cases by feasibility and business impact. Our shortlist sits in the upper right strategic investments quadrant, with the commercial credit engine as the lone quick win. 3 highlights. The commercial credit engine compresses loan cycles from weeks to days at a 4 to 10 times return on under $1.2 million. The regulatory monitor is the fastest proof point, stood up in weeks, delivering same-day compliance awareness. And the Wealth Advisor Prep Assistant bridges into H2, giving advisors an AI-generated client briefing that directly supports revenue growth. The problem is clear. Underwriters spend 40 to 60% of their time on data entry, delaying deals. The 90-day pilot targets a 40% reduction in spreading time by day 60. Now let's see the commercial credit intelligence engine use case in action. Welcome to the art of the possible and the deal that almost walked. This is the story of a $14 million deal. 2 people racing against the clock, and the moment everything changed. A deal package lands, and the grind begins. Spreadsheets, covenants, credit memos. For a mid-market manufacturing deal, that process could eat 2 full weeks.
14 million, manufacturing out of Columbus, and she needs an answer yesterday. It's not the credit story that'll take 2 weeks, it's the typing.
Every day the credit decision sat in underwriting was another day her client's patience eroded. She'd lost deals this way before, not because of credit quality, but because of cycle time.
Marcus, just checking in on the Columbus file. I know you just got it, but wanted you to know the client is fielding another offer. So any update you can share would be greatly appreciated.
By 9:45 a.m., the AI agent had already spread the financials, extracted the covenants, and generated a first draft credit memo, flagging 2 concentration risks Marcus would have caught eventually, but on day 3, not day 1.
Diane, Columbus is done. Memos drafted, spreads clean. 2 covenant items you'll want to flag with your client before we close.
Marcus, it's been 4 days. I had already drafted an apology email to the client this morning. I cannot believe you're sitting here right now with a term sheet. This never happens this fast.
The deal didn't walk. And for the first time in 11 years, Marcus left the office on time. Not because the work got easier, but because the right tool finally showed up to do the part of the job that was never really his to begin with. The full portfolio view, 7 use cases, $15 to $32 million in 3-year value, $3.16 to $4.76 million in total investment, and a portfolio ROI of 4 to 10 times. Of the $3.96 million midpoint, no hidden markups. This is a transparent view of capital allocation and delivery accountability. H1, months 1 through 4. Regulatory monitor and credit engine pilots launch. Databricks pipeline begins. H2, months 5 through 8. Wealth Advisor prep activation as infrastructure matures. H3, months 9 through 12. The Customer 360 platform and AI Ops Command Center. If you approve nothing else today, approve this. The Deposit Attrition Predictors Databricks pipeline. Pay once, unlock 4 use cases. The same infrastructure UC18 requires is what NextGen Genie, digital onboarding, and the H3 Customer 360 platform all depend on. One decision today unlocks $9.6 to $17.4 million in H1 value against $1.74 to $2.62 million in investment. 5 actions start immediately. each with a named owner, from regulatory feed ingestion in week 1 to the Databricks pipeline build by week 5. The clock starts the moment we have approval. That concludes our Spark Engagement Output presentation. Thank you.